Hello and thank you for visiting Luscombe Motors. Today I'm going to show you a quick look around the Suzuki Swift Attitude in a burning red. Now this car is a 1.2 litre Dualjet. It does 51 miles per gallon, making it a very economical little car. It's had one previous owner and it's got very low mileage considering the car's age, which is 12,096 miles on the clock. As you can see, the car is in excellent condition. It's got a few extra exterior features such as diamond cut alloy wheels. It has a carbon body kit, so that includes the skirting and the front and rear bumper, and it also has an upper rear boot spoiler. Next I'll show you a quick look inside the boot space. So as you can see, it does have a nice sized boot space considering the size of the car. Next I'll show you a quick look inside the rear of the car. Coming round to the front, here is your multimedia touchscreen panel. Now this will come standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a reverse camera, DAB digital radio, Bluetooth, and then a little bit further down there is your temperature control, which will include air conditioning. Here is your leather multifunctional steering wheel, where you'll be able to control the volume and radio settings as well. Now, this car will have 12 months of advisory-free MOT. It'll be given a fresh service, and also you will get 12 months of warranty. If you do want any further information, or if you'd like to take the car for a test drive, do feel free to get in touch. My name is Jacob. I'll be more than happy to help going forward. Thank you.